Hello, students. I hope you all are doing fine. Today, the topic of our lesson is the climate of our country. Lesson 7. First, let us learn what is a weather. The condition of the atmosphere at a certain place or time is called a weather. It is described using the words like sunny, windy, foggy, etc. Climate refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. It is described using words like cold in the mountains, hot in the coastal areas or desert, etc. Factors affecting climate. Some of the factors that affect the climate of an area are location, temperature, direction of wind blowing in the region, distance from the equator, and rainfall. All these factors affect the climate of an area, which in turn determines the lifestyle of people living there. Lifestyle include the kind of clothes that people wear, the food they eat, and the types of crops that are grown in a particular region or place. For this reason, some areas are more fertile and thickly populated than others. Season. In India, the variation in temperature, rainfall, and direction of monsoon winds result in three main seasons. They are summer, winter, and monsoon. Some areas experience the season of spring and autumn as well. Next is summer season. Summer is the season of hot weather. In India, it lasts from the middle of March till the end of June. The months of May and June are the hottest months of the year. The season is marked by longer days and shorter nights. The mountains remain cool during this season as compared to the other parts of the country. Therefore, people visit hill stations to escape the heat of the plants. Hot, dry winds called the Lu blow in the afternoon through the northern plains. Dust storms are common during this time. The plateaus also experience a hot weather in this season. Coastal areas remain cool because of winds blowing from the sea. Next comes the monsoon season. Towards the end of the summer season, the humidity in the air starts increasing. This leads to the onset of rainy or monsoon season. It starts in the month of June and continues till the end of September. The main characteristics of this season are heavy moisture-laden. Moisture-laden meaning carrying a lot of moisture of air or clouds. Rain-bearing winds that blow towards Indian mainland from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The distribution of rain across different parts of the country is uneven. Some areas receive more rainfall than the others, and some areas may receive little or no rainfall at all. For example, coastal areas receive heavy rainfall, but places in Rajasthan and Gujarat receive little rainfall, often leading to a drought. Due to heavy downpour, monsoon also causes floods and landslide in certain regions. The monsoon plays a major role in agriculture in India. The region of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala receives rainfall between the month of November and January. Winter season. Winter is the season of cold weather. In India, it begins in the mid-November and continues till February. The days are short while the nights are longer. December and January are the coldest months in North India. States in the northern mountains get rainfall and northern plains experience low temperatures, strong wind from the west known as western disturbances cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. The weather is pleasant in South India and the coastal plain. Lastly, autumn and spring season. Autumn comes just after the rainy season, before the onset of winter season. It is the time when leaves fall from the trees. The spring seasons comes after winter in the month of March and April, before the onset of summer. During this season, plants and trees bear new leaves and flowers bloom. So class, that is the end of the topic of this lesson. We will learn a new topic in the next coming video. Till then, stay safe and take care.